reporting live with a correction to this morning's weather forecast. Instead of clear blue skies and gentle breeze, it will now be pitch black skies and hurricane force winds. Whoa! This just in, I've been lying about my hair.
Yikes, that's looking gnarly.
Rubble. What? Lightning is frightening.
Paw Patrol, what's your emergency?
What's the emergency? The mesoscale convective system is causing exponential thermal lift and catastrophic downbursts at over 190 knots.
What? It's a super bad storm. Come on, guys. Keep going.
Finally, somebody gets me. This is not a regular storm. It's being caused by a weather control device that's unleashing weeks worth of bad weather all at